Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I actually don't even want to be here, so I've been dealing with some personal stuff, and last minute babe was like, come on, I'm gonna take you out of town for your birthday. So I'm actually just getting back from the Virgin Islands, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really tired. But of course, when you got youngins, you gotta come back to a mess. And so I had to tackle the kitchen and just clean up. I don't know how you guys do it in your home, but I have my son like wash all the dishes and everything, but I take care of like the big glass things like my vase and like my pots and pans. So pretty much that's what I'm taking care of right now. Trying to really get my morning off to a really great start. It's actually Sunday right now, and so I feel like if I get things cleaned up today, then Monday I can kind of ease my way into, having a great week. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. I'm also live, so as I'm on here recording for you guys, I'm also on Instagram trying to catch up with everybody, because like I said, I've kind of been gone and been really busy working on some stuff and trying to get some things done. But that's what we're doing today. So you guys, the house is starting to smell really good. I have one Nest diffuser here. I'm gonna go upstairs and get my second diffuser. Hold on a second, I'll put y'all down. I'm also live on Instagram. I'm gonna go get a second diffuser to add to the other side, because the living room is so big that I do feel like it kind of swallows up. You have to walk by the fragrance, but when I walk to go upstairs, I'm like, oh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. I just love this space. Y'all know I love this space because it's so pretty. Good morning. So I got the kitchen situated last night. This morning I'm just gonna get rid of the bottles. But for the most part, things are clean, which I'm excited. I I had to go to the grocery store and get some stuff because, can y'all see my cabinet? This whole thing is full of these glass jars. So I need to do some meal preps. I need to juice. And I will be good to go. I really like the house being clean like this because it just feels really good. So I have just spent the last 30 minutes looking for a lighter. I don't have one. So let me put lighter on the list. And it's weird because I keep, you know, 4 or 5 lighters in the house. I feel like there's one in the car for some reason. I don't know why I'm feeling like that, but I'm really feeling like there's a, I'm feeling like there's a lighter in my car. Anyway, I'm gonna have to purchase a charger and a lighter. Like, I've literally just spent the last 30 minutes looking for a lighter and I cannot find a lighter, but I'm gonna start breakfast for Babe and I'm gonna clean up because the house is not like a mess or anything like that, but I just have to, I did laundry, so I have to straighten some stuff up. So I'm gonna start that and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I don't think I'm gonna take that with me because I just don't like carrying the camera with me.
Morning, baby.
Good morning. Yeah. Why are you turning to see your face?
Don't they know my face by now? Oh.
You coming back down with me?
Later.
Later.
I got shit to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta work. Later.
Well, I'll get the towels up if anything. As I previously mentioned, the house really wasn't dirty, but because I was gone when I came back, I just really wanted to refresh the house and also get the laundry done. So I did quite a bit of laundry with like all of the towels and some clothes and stuff like that. And again, you guys saw that I did the kitchen yesterday. Tonight, I'm actually going to mop the entire living and dining and kitchen area because I haven't done it in over like a week. I just want the house to again have that really nice fresh feeling. So I'm really just putting things back away, straightening things up. I personally enjoy seeing the home look very polished as though no one lives in this space, but I know that we are in this space and we live in this space, so it brings me joy to even experience that. So I just wanted to have things in order. But as I'm cleaning up, I'm also taking a look at the bookshelves and I'm noticing that I can tweak some things. Over the past week, I've been adding things to this shelving just because things are still in boxes. So when I walk by, I'm like, what happened to this thing? Oh my gosh, what about this? Oh, what happened to those books? And so today I was walking by like, whatever happened to my bowl? And I'm like, I know exactly the box is in. So I hurried off to get it and I love it. I'm going to add something else to it. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the house together to a place where I feel really comfortable with everything. If you guys were wondering, I actually didn't buy any of this. Everything is from the previous house, which is really great because I was able to style these shelving and those shelvings from everything that I had between my office and the living room in my previous home, which is a blessing. So I had nothing to worry about in terms of styling, which I'm really, really happy about. Yeah, I like this. I think I'm just gonna purchase like some moss balls or something to put inside just to do some greenery on that wall because it's so like dark looking. But I'm really loving how it looks overall. I like things to be very symmetrical. If you're styling, you don't have to do this. And also the shelving can go pretty much anywhere where there's like space. If it was up to me, y'all know I would have had trim everywhere, but I like it considering how long the wall is. I think it's like 200 and something long, but I'm really loving how it looks. Let me move this back a little bit because I want you guys to kind of get into the whole. This lens is a bit more zoomed in, so I'm just gonna tip you guys down a little bit. You see that? I just love how it looks. It's so inviting and cozy. I love this a lot. I can't wait for the holidays and like the tree comes up and all of that jazz, but I can say I'm really loving this. Anyway, I'm gonna close the video off here because I have to go to the grocery store. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I start the food prep, and I may record tonight. I'm gonna cook, and I may record what I'm cooking tonight just so you guys can kind of cook with me, chit chat. I can give you an up to date on what's been going on. But I love this. I love this a lot. Yay. And let me just point out now, because people are always asking about mixing metals, and if you can see, okay, so the candle has the gold right there on top. I brought in the bronze down here. There's the gold right here on the mirror. There's another golden bronze. You see all the different tones, but overall the metals complement the way they've been spaced out. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.